First, open CapCut. Then, click on the record screen option. Now, adjust the area you want to record on your screen. Click on the camera icon if you also want to record your face while recording the screen. You can also change its shape to a square or circle by clicking on the square or circle icon. You can move your face camera anywhere on the screen. You can turn the microphone on or off as needed. Now, click on the screen record button to start recording. If you want to record while editing inside CapCut, click on New Project and start editing just like I am doing. You can also record while using other software like making tutorial in Photoshop or any other thing or browsing, etc. To stop recording, click the Stop button. If you want to edit the recorded video in CapCut, click on the Edit More button and start editing. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thanks.